Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Wi-Fi option not showing in Windows 11 2025. Access the device manager from the Start menu. Drop down the section Network Adapters, right-click on the Wi-Fi driver and select the option Enable Device. Wait a moment for the driver to be enabled. After this, access the local system services. Select and double-click on the service Automatic WLAN Auto Config. There, under Startup Type, you will select the option Automatic. Apply the changes. To check, click on the network icon and you will see the available Wi-Fi network. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.